So today we are taking up communication barriers. What are the barriers? Communication, and how can we overcome them? That already is done, no? Then? Maybe. Yeah. So let us talk about communication barriers. What do you understand by the term barrier? Hurdle. Something that can come between you and the person you are talking to. Any kind of hurdle, any kind of barrier obstructs any message.
Recording in progress.
So, what is communication barrier?
Which interrupts the communication with sender and receiver. When persons are able to send the message to other person, so the communication gets someone.
Major questions can come on barriers. How can you overcome barriers? What do you mean by the term barrier? How can you define communication barriers in communication? How many types of barriers do you know? कितनी बाधाएं, कितनी तरह की बाधाएं आ सकती हैं? मैसेज आइडिएशन के बाद मैसेज पहुंचने तक there can be so many barriers. What are they?
Channels, technical, जितने तरह के channels हैं वो barriers हैं.
So communication barrier can include anything that prevents or disables communicators to deliver the right message to the right person at the right time, or a receiver to get the right message at the right time. Any disturbance can be a hurdle, can be a barrier. So there are three main categories of communication barrier that can make effective communication challenging. What are they? Physical communication barrier. Such as social distancing, remote work, desklessness nature of work, closed office doors, and others. Physical barrier also means you are not able to meet the person, मिल नहीं पा रहे हैं, इसीलिए बहुत कुछ समझ में नहीं आता है. Second is emotional barrier. Emotional communication barrier resulting from emotions such as mistrust and fear. If you do not trust anybody, you will not believe. And messages pass नहीं करेगा. या अगर कोई डर है, if you are afraid of anything, even then you will not understand anything. Any emotional pressure, किसी भी तरह का इमोशनल डिस्टर्बेंस अगर आ जाता है, लर्निंग में हिंड्रेंस हो जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू आर डिस्टर्ब फॉर सम रीजन, तो क्लास में क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं हो रहा है, you will not be able to concentrate 100%, and that will result in maybe you will not be able to understand even a single thing. All this will come under emotional barrier. The third is the language barrier, language communication barrier, that refers to how a person speaks both verbally and non-verbally. किसी की भाषा समझ में नहीं आती है, किसी का एक्सेंट समझ में नहीं आता है, किसी का स्पीकिंग स्टाइल समझ में नहीं आता है, किसी का नॉन वर्बल मैसेज समझ में नहीं आता है, किसी का बिहेवियर समझ में नहीं आता है कि ऐसा उसने क्यों कहा. जब कोई बात ऐसी आती है जो आपको समझ में नहीं आ रही है, दिस समझ में नहीं आने वाले को ही की बात करते हैं. दिस इज कॉल्ड बैरियर. समथिंग विच यू आर नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड, something which leaves a gray matter, any hindrance. Like in the communication process, you must have you've read that there's the encoder, the person who encodes the message, and then there's the decoder who receives the message, and then the feedback is given. If the message is understood 100%, then the person can give the feedback. But what if the message is not understood 100%? There's no feedback, there's only barrier. So when we talk about physical barriers, there are lots of things. Physical problems, somebody was speaking very slowly, you could not hear. बहुत धीरे कोई बात कर रहा है, बहुत जल्दी कोई बात कर रहा है, जिस एक्सेंट में बात की जा रही है वो समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, लैंग्वेज समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. तो बाधाएं बहुत तरह की होती है, टेक्निकल बैरियर्स होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम टेकिंग क्लास ऑन Zoom, ऑनलाइन एंड ऑफलाइन. Supposing the internet is disrupted, so what is the barrier? Technical barrier. So barriers hold a very important place in business communication. And how to overcome these barriers? क्या barriers है तो ऐसे ही छोड़ देंगे क्या? नहीं. Barriers are there to overcome. However, these communication barriers present just a high-level overview of the cause and of inefficient communication. Let's take a deeper look into some of the most common communication barriers that employers face today. The top 13 organizations face today, the barriers. When talking about communication barriers in the workplace, challenges to effective communication are more obvious than ever before. Multi-generational workplace, the rise of remote work, dispersed workforce, the introduction of new communication technology, and different employee expectations are just a few examples of communication barriers that have emerged in the past few years. Number one, communication skills and styles. Now, this you will know that different people have different styles of speaking. There are so many of you, including me. We all have different styles of speaking. Maybe you will understand the way I speak as you speak. Like I give you in an example, there was this person who had come from Bangalore and he wanted to buy Vim. So he just said, please give me a Vim. The shopkeeper said, नहीं है मेरे पास, आप ये मांग रहे हैं. तो कहा नहीं कैसे, सामने बिल्कुल लगाए हुए हैं, आप दे नहीं रहे हैं. तो आप जो मांग रहे हैं, देखिए वो तो है, आप जो मांग रहे हैं वो मेरे पास नहीं. तो क्या बोला, वो क्या, तो फिर वो क्या है फिर? तो बोला वो तो भीम है. तो उसको उसी तरह से बात की जाती तो वो समझ जाता था. यहाँ पर बैरियर क्या था? बैरियर था यहाँ पर स्पीकिंग स्टाइल. किसी को जो व्हाट वर यू डूइंग, बच्चा समझा नहीं कि क्या मैम पूछ रही है. तो जब हमने पूछा व्हाट वेर यू डूइंग, हाँ तो मैम बताइए ना, आप तो कुछ और ही पूछ रहे हैं तो हमको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. तो जिस स्टाइल को आप जानते हैं, जिस स्टाइल से आप वाकिफ हैं, you're familiar हैं, you're aware of your style, you know only one style, and the style wherein you can speak, you are speaking on a standing. थोड़ा सा उसमें से हट जाता है, हट के होता है, तो फिर that creates a barrier. People have different communication skills and styles. Oftentimes, these differences in communication skills can create communication barriers between the communicator and the receiver of the message. For example, while some people may be highly detailed and specific when communicating, others may learn to generalize. However, even though communication skills are extremely important, only 18% of the employees are evaluated on their communication skills in a performance review. So many people there are so many people who can give the details. Some people may be highly detailed and specific. They know how to speak. उनको पता है क्या बोलना है, कैसे बोलना है, और detailed बोलते हैं. बाकी कुछ लोग हैं general way में summarize कुछ कर देते हैं. And then only 18% of the employees are evaluated on their communication skills in performance review. ये 18% ही है जिनको डिटेल करना आता है, जिनको they can get the facts right. The rest of the people, they're not specific. Number 2, social distance and physical barriers. Now we all know what is social distance. As mentioned earlier, many companies now depend on digital means of communication due to social distancing. Remote ways of working. It means work from home, virtual. These physical barriers are even more evident within organizations with blue-collar employees without designated working space. What are blue-collar employees? क्या होता है blue-collar employees? Blue-collar employee. बताइए. ब्लू कॉलर वर्कर्स का मतलब क्या होता है? And who are considered blue collar work? जो कि मैनुअल हार्ड लेबर वर्क करते हैं, हार्ड वर्क करते हैं, मैनुअल करते हैं, like typically agriculture, manufacturing, constructions, mining. So these people who are manually hardworking. So a blue collar worker is a working class person who performs manual labor, blue collar works. May involve skilled or unskilled labor people, the laborers. What happened to that page? So these people who work in remote areas, blue collar employees without designated workplace, इन लोग को workplace तो मिलता नहीं है. People who are in the labor, the hardworking people, manual workers. Such barriers can go a long way in causing damage to an organization that doesn't know how to leverage technology or eliminate communication challenges. So these people, they are not aware of the technology. They don't work on laptops. They don't have any smartphones. So leverage, they're missing out on a lot of things. So which can be very damaging to the organization. Third is disengagement. क्या मतलब होता है disengagement का? Effective communication, it's all about engagement. When you're connected, when you know what is happening, when you are aware, this is called effective communication. But disengagement, you do not know what is happening. You do not know what is happening in your organization if you are not involved. So effective communication is about engagement between the parties involved in communication. When there is no engagement from both parties, this ruins the purpose of effective communication. When there is no communication, there is no chance of effective communication, and which is ruins the very purpose of communication. जो कोई बातचीत ही नहीं है, तो फिर यहाँ पर nothing is possible. Unfortunately, organizations across the world are fighting the problem of disengaged workplaces. They are struggling to catch their employees' attention and drive the culture of open, engaged, and transparent communication. In organizations everywhere, this problem is there. The organization is trying to involve everybody. But is everybody involved? Can you get the attention of all the employees in your organization? Possible है क्या? Organization तो चाहती है ना कि सबका involvement, सबका engagement रहे. But are you working with the organization, or you are with the organization, or you are confined to yourself? Many people, what happens? They shy away of taking any responsibility. Is it true or not? Like I told you to give your names for youth parliament, but you did not give. Nobody gave any names. तो क्या हुआ, आप क्या किए, आप अपना रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी से आप इन्वॉल्व नहीं हुए. This is called disengagement. So you do not know what is happening. You do not know how the students are practicing. You don't you're not aware of what is happening. Disengagement. तो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन तो चाहती थी कि सब लोग को लेके आगे चले ना, कि सब क्लास में से कुछ बच्चे आए हैं, बाहर आए और पार्टिसिपेट करें. कंपनी क्या चाहती थी, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन क्या चाहती थी? Complete engagement from all the classes. But what did you all do? This was disengagement. तो कम्युनिकेशन है यहाँ पर नहीं, बिल्कुल. You are unaware. अगर पूछेंगे what is happening, do you know? Who's participating? I don't know. How many people are there? I don't know. How many in Hindi? I don't know. How many English? I don't know. What is the topic? I'm not sure. Disengagement. बहुत सारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं जो चाहती है कि सारे के सारे जो एम्प्लॉइज हैं सब बिल्कुल अप एंड डूइंग हो जाए और सब अपना अपना काम enthusiastically करें. लेकिन ऐसा होता है क्या? नहीं ना. कुछ लोग they will shy away from all responsibilities. 9 बजे आए, 5 बजे चले गए. मतलब जितना कहा गया उतना कर रहे हैं, उससे आगे नहीं. Organizational structure. Are you noting all this down? नोट कर रहे हैं कि नहीं? सबके सॉल्यूशंस मिल रहे हैं कि नहीं? नहीं मिल रहे हैं. सॉल्यूशंस आप ही लोग को ढूंढना है. Complex and rigid organizational structure can be the main culprit for inefficient communication, making it one of the most common communication barriers. Such organizations may have inefficient information sharing and communication system, often resulting in frustration, lack of engagement, and productivity among employees. If a company is highly hierarchical, information can easily get siloed, lost, or distorted as it travels through each layer of the hierarchy. इसका मतलब समझे, ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल स्ट्रक्चर. मैंने अपने से ऊपर किसी को जिनको हम रिपोर्ट करते हैं उनको मैंने बोल दिया. अब उस बात को वो आगे वो फाइल बढ़ाए नहीं, वो वहीं के वहीं रह गई. तो हायरार्की में कहीं भी एक स्टॉप हो जाता है ना, तो फिर इंफॉर्मेशन क्या हो जाता है, लॉस्ट हो जाता है. कभी कभी हायरार्की में हम स्किप कर जाते हैं, तो जिसको हमको रिपोर्ट करना है उसको नहीं करके उसके बॉस को भी रिपोर्ट कर देते हैं हम लोग. इससे क्या होता है, जो बीच वाला जो है पर्सन है उसको पता नहीं है, और द पर्सन वर्किंग अंडर मी नोज इट, द पर्सन वर्किंग अबव मी नोज इट, हमें को नहीं पता है. तो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर में बहुत बहुत ज्यादा बैरियर हो जाता है वैन, इसलिए कि बहुत चैनल से जाता है ना. तुमने उसको कहा, मैंने कुछ रिसेप्शन पे डाला है, रिसेप्शन ने अकाउंट्स को नहीं दिया, अकाउंट्स के पास आया भी तो वहां बहुत देर तक फाइल पड़ी रही और वो मैम के पास नहीं गया. अब किसी कारण से नहीं गया, जान के नहीं कोई किया है, कोई भूल गया या कोई गॉट लॉस्ट समवेयर, और मुझे क्या लग रहा है कि मेरा काम अभी तक नहीं हुआ. So these are the problems in organizational structure. We'll talk about it in detail in the next class. This is DUDM, right? Respond your roll numbers. 1,
Present, ma'am.
2, 3,
3
4,
present, ma'am.
4,
Present, ma'am.
5, 6,
Yes, ma'am.
7,
Present,
8,
ma'am.
7,
Present, ma'am.
8, 9, 10, 11,
Present, ma'am.
12,
Present, ma'am.
13,
Present.
14,
Yes, ma'am.
15, 16,
Present, ma'am.
17,
16.
17,
Yes, ma'am.
18,
Present, ma'am.
19,
Yes, ma'am.
20,
Yes, ma'am.
21,
Present, ma'am.
22, 23,
Present,
24,
Yes, ma'am.
25,
Yes, ma'am.
26,
Yes, ma'am.
27,
Yes.
28,
Yes, ma'am.
29,
Yes, ma'am.
30,
Yes, ma'am.
31, 32. That's it.